Dear friends, we all watch dreams of success and we all want to achieve something in our life. And I'm not talking about the dreams which come while we are sleeping. I'm talking about those dreams which don't let us sleep. So today I want to share 5 golden rules which can bring success to us. The first one is that we have to discover ourselves. We have to find our talent, our hidden talent, what we are very good at, what is our specialty. So once we get ourselves involved in different activities and others comment that you're good at it and you're doing well, or we feel and we start enjoying it, and we don't know even the time's passing, so you may realize that this is the particular activity you are very good at and you should go for it. Number 2, after realizing our talent, after discovering our talent, we must exactly know now what we want to achieve. What is our exact target now? Once we decide our target, then we decide our daily course of action. As described in the book One Thing, we have to be perfect and the master in one special thing in order to achieve great success in our life. So in order to achieve that particular thing, we have to take daily steps and keep achieving something on daily basis. Sort of these will be little successes which will boost our morale and will keep gaining, learning and achieving more and more in our life. So after the point number 2, after achieving something and developing the habit and deciding our target, the third thing is the application of 80-20 rule. Actually, what happens is that generally we have to decide, we have to have preferences that which activities are more important to achieve something. So 80-20 rule tells us, for example, it is said that 20% of activities bring us 80% benefit, whereas the remaining 80% of the activities bring only 20% benefit. Even it was discovered in the industries that most of the big industries, their 20% products are bringing 80% benefit to them, and whereas the remaining 80% products are bringing only 20% benefit. So they started focusing on their 20% products which brought 80% benefit, and the benefits rose high. So in our life we can also apply it by identifying those 20% tasks which are creative, which will boost us and which will groom us and achieve more than 80% benefit in our life. And number 4 is habit formation. We have to develop success habits as well as those habits which bring us those particular skills which we want to achieve in order to get our goal. So we have to develop some habits, success habits. Once developed, we can always keep achieving something, and for every profession we have to develop different habits. We know them generally. And finally, we have to identify ourselves as those particular professionals, for example, and feel for it. For example, if I am a sportsman and I believe that I'm a sportsman, then obviously, strongly believing that I'm a sportsman, I would like to take care of my health. I would not like to feel very bulky or very weak or demotivated, because I'm a sportsman. I believe that I'm a sportsman, so I'll do every activity that will keep me balanced, that will keep me strong, fit, healthy. Therefore, if a writer lives as a writer, believes as a writer, his all activities will be like writers. And he will read, he will have a company of the writers, he will read more books, he will understand how the writers write, he will see the styles and everything. He will live as a writer. So we have to live as that particular professional with the right habits. Then obviously if we apply these 5 rules, we can be highly successful in whatever profession we want. Thank you.